So Judy, I really wanted to show you this work of art because when we were talking yesterday, I was really struck by some things that you said. I love that you shared with me that this was your first cruise trip, and the thing that surprised you most about the trip so far was that although it feels like you're on a voyage and in a beautiful hotel, you didn't expect to have such powerful feelings about the vastness of the sea and also the look of the stars, the constellations in the night sky that none of us get when we live in big cities. But then when you're out on a ship on the ocean, you can get that sense of the vastness of the universe. So I said to myself, I really want to show Judy this image. This is a fantastic work of art. It's by a young artist. She's originally from Mexico, and now she lives and works in Los Angeles, and she is already attracting a lot of acclaim for her work. For instance, she was listed by the famous Saatchi Art Gallery as being one of the most interesting artists to watch. But you know, the thing about this artwork that made me want to show it to you and made me think you would really connect with it is that she is also looking at some of those ideas about the vastness of the universe. So she's an incredibly skillful artist. She works across painting and photography, but she doesn't represent things exactly as they exist in the real world. So in some ways, it's like she's a realist artist. She is taking an image of the world. And in this case, it might surprise you to know, but it's an image that was taken by the Hubble telescope. And that's the sort of starting point for her work of art. So, you know, that idea of the galaxy being infinite is really informing the subject of the artwork. But what she does is that she manipulates it. And so, yes, it's a real image of the universe, but she also wants it to be an imaginary image of something at a symbolic level, at a spiritual level. It's an idea of something that is vast and infinite and that is really physical, is tangible, is out there in the real world, but it's also something private and inner because it's manipulating the real image from the Hubble telescope and then bringing it into a kind of private symbolism, the idea of infiniteness, endlessness, the idea also that there are aspects to the world and to the universe that are a little bit intangible, they're just out of reach, and it's very hard to tap into them. So that